Hello, what's up, people? It's really been an awesome week. Last week was really wonderful. I made 2% of my account, and I actually changed my perspective because I was actually wishing it was gonna be a sell, but because of the high of the day was broken, so I changed my bias to more of buys. So that's what I did last week. So this week again, I'm gonna be showing you my 1 minute analysis on my FTMO trades. I'll trade GBPUSD and EURUSD. So I'm also going to be dropping those analysis and my bias for this week. So if it breaks up, I'm going to be doing more of buys. If it breaks to the downside, I'm going to be doing more of sells. So that is what basically I'm just going to be showing you. So on GBPUSD last week, we had a bullish trending market. So it went up and actually predicted for a sell. What I did immediately, I changed my bias because I saw it broke above my high of the day. So I immediately changed my bias. So what I just want to point out is make sure you're very flexible with your decision based on how price move in the first market. That's how you react. That's what I did. And as a matter of fact, I made 2% of my account last week. So on this week, we are having another setup that is currently happening. So first, what we do first, we pull up our divider like this, Control Y on your MetaTrader 4 to bring this period separator. So for this first candle and the second candle, you're going to map out the high and the low. So if it breaks above, it's going to be a bullish trending market all through the week. If it breaks below, it's going to be a bearish trending market all through the week. That's what I do. So if it breaks above, I do more of buys. If it breaks below, I do more of sales. Not that I don't take counter trend trades. Sometimes I do, but I'm very, very careful when I'm doing that. So now let me zoom out so you can see clearly what has been happening. So right now you see this is a trend line, one touch here, second touch, and third touch. So it's about to come to this point. So before we look at that first, let's go and check what our current trend is. Our current trend right now, you can see it's a bullish trending market from the 4 hours, right? This is an impulsive move, this corrective move is another impulsive move, right? And probably breakout of this point. We do not know yet. We're just going to react just as price is going to move. So now let's check out our current trend, which is 1 hour time frame. So, and I'm going to zoom in so we can see the candles because that's what we trade. So right now, you can see price ranging of this point. I'm not going to take any trade, not until there's a break up above here or a break below right this point. So you can see it's been a very awesome week for us. It's been trending. So what we should be looking at for right now is for entry on 15 minutes. So whenever there's a break above this green line or below this one, we're going to take a trade. So if you have to take this current trade now, what you should be asking yourself, where should my stop loss be? So if you're to take this trade right now, your stop loss should be somewhere around here, risking about 18 pips, all right? So if it takes you, you're willing to risk that 18 pip as at that time. On EURUSD first, you're going to determine our current trend, our major trend. Our major trend will determine major trend from the 4 hours, all right? So the major trend is still an uptrend, right? Still an uptrend in 4 hours. So right here, then on 1 hour, what is current trend? The current trend on 1 hour too is also a bullish trend, uptrend. Right. So what we should be watching out for here is maybe a break below this trend line or a bounce of it. So it could actually bounce. It could actually bounce to the upside, or it could break below. Anyone, you just take action. So if you have to trade this one, make sure your stop loss is right here at this point. So that's about that. So on 15 minutes, you look out for entry. So I use TDI for entry on 15 minutes. That's why you see this indicator right here. I use TDI, but you could also use any other thing. You could use RSI, you could use stochastic, or any other indicator that best work for you. So I always try as much as possible to make sure this video is short and still sensible, short and concise, All right, so that's what I have for you this week. And make sure if you have any question or you have one-on-one session, you want to schedule a one-on-one session, just let me know. Message me personally on Telegram, and the links are in the description box below. All right, guys, stay focused. Bye.